to show you today some really nice tricks to cut figures inside Procreate. So first, let's fill this layer with, let me use a palette here. Okay, let me fill this layer with this color. Okay, select the layer, fill layer. There you go. If you want to change the color, you didn't like that one layer, you can select another one, click fill layer. Great. Another one, another layer. Okay, let's create. I think I'm using. Wait, I think I'm using my thick monoline brush. Yes. Okay. So let's create this. Now I want to create like a moon shape. I create another layer on top of this circle and create another circle here. You can see the circles are in different layers. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to select the top layer, then choose the layer below and clear. Turn off the top layer and you have a moon. This is very convenient. And then you have maybe a logo. I don't know, what do you want to sell with this? How about pillows? Someone wants to sleep. Let me put the snapping to the max. So okay, this is an easy way to create shapes. You can try anything you want. Let's create a square. Let me bring this down very little and try to create a square. We create a square here. Touch the screen. Okay. And then fill this out. Great. We have a square now. In the middle. And let's take this little guy on top. Let's see what we can do with him. Let's put it to one side. Okay, and now select it. Select the piece you want to cut, the shape you want to take from the other shape. So select, then go again to layers, choose or click on the square and clear. Turn this off and you have. Turn it on. Let's make it a bit smaller and then you have another shape. I hope you like this tutorial. I know it's very short, but please enjoy making a lot of shapes. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!